Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In today's video, I'm going to review an online translation job opportunity with the Translation Company Group. The Translation Company Group, established in 2005, is a company that has been providing quality translation services for over a decade. If you're ready to take the next step and apply, you can easily find the application link in the Work With Us section on their website. Just fill in your details, including your language pairs, areas of specialization, and any relevant experience you have. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.